Hi guys, my name's Archarima and welcome back to this channel. This is where we learn Gikūyū. I hope you're fine, and today we're going to learn some words concerning our cars. So get yourself comfortable and let's get started. The first word we're going to learn concerning our cars is oil. Oil. We know very well that oil is needed in the car, and to make the car move it is very essential. So oil, how do we call oil in Gikūyū? Oiro, oiro, oiro. That is oil. Oil, oiro, oiro. The second word is tires. How do we call tires in Gikūyū? Magoro, magari. Magoro, magari. Magoro referring to tires. Magari for the car. Magoro, magari. Magoro, magari. Gari is a car. Gari is a car. Remember, we are talking about cars in this video. So our basic word here is the word car, which is called in Gikūyū gari. Gari. Now the third word is brakes. How do we call brakes in Gikūyū? Brakes are called breki, breki, bureki, breki. Those are brakes. Breki. The fourth word is petrol or diesel. How do we call petrol or diesel in Gikūyū? It's called maguta magari. Maguta magari. Now maguta is the diesel or the petrol. So
Petrol,
it's called
petrol,
maguta
diesel,
magari.
diesel,
Diesel for the car, petrol for the car, petrol for the car, diesel for the car, magari for the car. Maguta magari. The fifth word we are going to learn is how do we say to tank the car. You know very well, for us to move the car we have to fuel it or to give it some gas or tank it. So how do we say that in Gikūyū? Konywa maguta. Konywa maguta. Now for example, I want to go and fuel my car or to give gas to my car or to tank my car. I just say dathie konywa maguta. Konywa maguta. Well, you can also say gwikira maguta. Gwikira gari maguta. Gwikira is like to put or to insert or to fuel. Gwikira gari car. Maguta, we have already said the diesel or the petrol. Gwikira gari maguta. Gwikira gari maguta. That is to fuel or to tank the car. Now the last word we are going to learn is not like a word, it's just a sentence, a small one, is washing the car. How do we say that? How do I say when I want to wash the car in Gikūyū? Guthabia gari. Guthabia gari. Guthabia gari. Guthabia is simply to wash. To wash, guthabia. Gari is the car. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for choosing this channel.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
And
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.